Hello everybody and welcome to Divine Creations. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment and let me know that you are new to my channel. If you are a return subscriber, hey y'all, I'm so glad you are back. So we are on day 2 of my live tutorials. This tutorial will be, we're going to bling out a pen. So this pen I did not do. This pen was purchased from Monica's Custom Creations. Definitely check her out on TikTok. She makes amazing bling and epoxy pens. And that's my homegirl, so make sure you check her out. But today I am going to take a chance and we're going to bling our first pen. Now these pens will be included in the Divon Bitz of Bling Crafter Starter Kit. It's on the website. It should be available on Friday, which is November the 5th. So please head to the website, sign up for the email alerts so that once all of the kits go live, you can grab one. If you're quick enough, there's only 10 available. And everything that's included in the kit is in the description on the website. So read it, check it out. So here's one of the pens. This is an Ink Joy 0.5. I have already taken all the parts out and stuck them in a bag. So you want to make sure you take all the little bits and pieces out, put them in a bag so you don't misplace or lose any of them because you will need it. So I already prepped 2 pens. What I've done so far is taking my little board here. This is for nails. Each side is you have rough, you have and a buffer. So I just took the buffer and the regular sanding side and just sand it down really good. I took my X-Acto knife and went on and cut off the clip and the little piece that has the hearts. I just sanded it down. I'm going to spray it with some alcohol and wipe it off. I've already cleaned my entire workstation, so we're all ready to go. Also, I want to let you know I did include the wooden stick here. So if you are going to epoxy or spray paint your pens here, I did include the stick so it's easy to use. But I don't think we're going to need that today. But to go over all the supplies that I'm using here, we have our pen, we have our little sanding block, we have our Bitz of Bling November mix, which will be available on the website. And it does come with 4 different, actually there's 5 colors in here and 4 different sizes, 4 or 5, 4 different sizes. I have my wax pencil. I purchased this on Amazon. I think they come in like a set of 2 or 4. And I'm going to be using Liquid Fusion. So if you do purchase the kit, this is the glue that will be included. But it's going to come in a little bottle like this here. I'm just going to transfer it over. And this is a 1 ounce bottle. So this would be perfect for a beginner so that you can test out this glue. So far, I love it. I don't have any issues or anything weird happening. I love it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start at this part that's a lot flatter opposed to the part that goes at the top because it is more round. So we're going to do that part last. And as always, we are going to make sure that our first row is amazing. And I will be using like a scattered method because we have different sizes. And we're just going to make this a super fun pen here. And when you get your kit, or if you are working in your kit now, remember, you can do and create whatever design you like. If you choose not to do like a scatter or multiple color type method, you can definitely do that. Whatever floats your boat. You can also use sizes SS10, or the equivalent to SS10 would be 3 millimeters. On your pen. So there we go. And what we're going to do here, we're going to turn upside down on my desk and just kind of like make sure everything is pushed in and down to the bottom, just like I'm doing kind of off camera. Let me move this. And this is what you would do if you were doing like the honeycomb method or placement. You want to make sure that your first row is super duper straight, so then you know going forward everything else is going to be straight. So there you go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait a few minutes and let everything kind of tack up, so that as I go forward, I do not adjust the placement of my first row. So I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue. We're gonna go to our second row. And remember, you can, if you're going to use the same method as me, there's no rhyme or reason, just pick and place. Knowing myself, I'm still going to, you know, just be a little mindful of the colors so that I can get a good mix. And there we go. Well, we have reached the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Also, look how many stones you have left. So you can bling out as many pins as you like and do some other projects if you choose to. This month's bag is filled with plenty of goodies. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I love to go live on TikTok, as you know. So this is all of the stones we have left, and I did use a very unique pattern, which is similar to the scatter, where you are just placing your stones wherever you like. And let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for about an hour before I put all the pieces back together. And the shine is amazing. I cannot wait until you start your projects with my stones. So make sure you check out the link below so that you can purchase your Bitz of Bling as soon as possible. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you later.